We are now leaving our Forest Lake RV Resort campground that we've been at for the past 2 weeks in Lexington, North Carolina, and we are on our way south now, about an hour. We are going to visit a family friend on their farm and do some boondocking. We are now all settled in at the farm, and it is absolutely gorgeous here.
If you don't need water and electric, you can get yourself an awesome spot.
Yes, you can. And all to yourself. We're planning on being here for about the next 2 weeks, so this will be our first extended boondocking where we don't have water or electric. We might get electric sometime in our stay, but I don't know. We're gonna learn how to rough it.
So it's 5:30 in the morning, and our furnace isn't turning on, and it's really cold in here, and Tom's trying to figure out why.
Alright, so this is fun. It's like 40 degrees in here. I can hear the furnace like sort of clicking on, but yeah, but the fan's not coming on and such. I've seen it do this before when the battery's low, but the battery voltage is fine, although it is like 25, 26, 27, I don't know, outside, cold, and I'm thinking the batteries might just be too cold to produce enough current to turn on the furnace or something like that. So I'm going to go get the generator started, hopefully the furnace comes on. If it doesn't, then we're going to have to tear into the furnace in the morning. Good news, I was just about to go outside and do the generator, and I realized there was an external light on outside, our doorstep light. I turned that off and the furnace came right on, so I'm guessing we are borderline voltage issues with the battery, and that's probably what our problem was, so happy we're not freezing anymore.
Wanna go explore? Let's go explore. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
No brakes. Careful, there's a bit of mud right there. Don't just... So we did our little romp in the woods, and this is what happens when you have long-haired dogs. I just finished cutting them all out of Mocha, and now cutting out of poor Bella. Hey, baby. And I think we're just going to go ahead and trim them so that we don't run into this so much. Oh, that's better. Just look at that. Ugh. So while I'm pulling the pickers out of the dog's fur, I leave Tom alone for 10 minutes, and guess what? He's found a tractor. Gotta love him. This is how you toast when you don't have electricity.
It's working.
Working nicely.
So the dogs have been getting into prickers and stuff, so
We had to cut out this huge section of poor Bella's tail. And we figured, well, It's about that time anyway, so she's getting the full haircut.
It's Bella Bella trim day.
Bella Bella trim day.
And since we're out here without electricity, we're running off the generator.
Almost done, baby. Almost done.
You're next, Mocha. So we're in the town of Davidson, North Carolina, and our friends here own a restaurant that we might be helping out doing a little bit of work around. So we're here to visit them now.
Pickled Peach.
All right, we got the lowdown. We're gonna be working at the Pickled Peach, and we got some awesome food. And
Thank you, Jenny.
yeah, so
Thank you, Travis.
dessert from the Pickled Peach.
Oh, that is so good.
A oatmeal raisin cookie covered with marshmallow. Goodness. It was actually one like big cookie, like mashed together like that, but we split it in half and are sharing it. Yum.
Turkey and stews. Nope, you're both stuffing. Bacon gravy, bacon flavored gravy, and this is the maple flavored gravy here. Bacon and flavored.
Happy Thanksgiving!
My mouth is full.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I can't put one on.
We are in North Carolina at our friend Jan's place for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for letting us be here.
It was a beautiful dinner.
It was a beautiful dinner, and we are just so thrilled that we can be staying here with you. So this is post-turkey coma. We had a good video chat with both our families, which is nice on holidays like this, since we can't be with them.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
We are so grateful that we are able to be traveling the country and having this adventure.
We also want to send a big thank you to our families and our friends and everyone else along the way that has made this possible. We're also thankful for this beautiful day, this wonderful sunshine, and we're hoping that you guys are all having a wonderful Thanksgiving as well.